All right, so I try to fit this whole thing in here, but I can't fit it. And this is a ROG Ryujin 3 3060, all right? So here we are. We are going to test out our machine to see how the actual air flows in. So, very simple. When I'm using the smoke machine, it tells me exactly if everything's working well. And this is how I test things out all the time. So all right, so let me explain to you about the actual water cooling. All right, the water cooling, you're going to need an application. All right, they give you a couple of applications, but out of the website, they're not very good. So you got to get Armory crate. And this one, anything to do with the actual devices, you can change in here. So it did discover devices, and if you have multiple devices that is compatible with this system, they automatically show up in here. That means you're going to be controlling the actual light, displays and so forth. But because we have a display in here, you could actually add your own, or you could use the ones that they have. So let's go in here. Now in the system itself, I'm actually showing you guys a live view of it. Go to Galactic, right? And we're gonna hit apply, and it just changes the whole atmosphere, and you actually see it as we apply it to it. Now they only have two of them right now at the moment. Single information, dual information. I like the dual information. Triple information, it'll give you a spot. We're gonna put cyberpunk. We customize it, make it ourselves, different colors. You could even add your own picture in here and set up your own display here. So right now we're gonna use the cyberpunk. I kind of like cyberpunk, so for now we're gonna set it up and say cyberpunk. You transfer it, and that's pretty much it. Now here you could do customized slideshow, right? It doesn't have to be the one that they currently have. You could actually set up different ones that they have. You, like I said, you could display your own duration 5. You change it to a couple seconds, but we're gonna do hardware monitoring. Like I said, you could add your own backgrounds to it and your own fonts. It's limited, but it actually gives you good information. In fact, in here, we could change a couple of temperatures, temperature on the actual system itself, the voltage, and then of course CPU temperatures. If you want to change it, they have tons of different things that you can do and change it. It's up to you to customize it. All you got to do is hit apply. It'll send it automatically over. Now, out of the box, it's not ready to go. It just has a display pretty much that doesn't show any kind of information. You have to come in here and modify yourself.